Hello, this is Mr. Woodruff again. I'm here to demonstrate something that's called a bimetallic strip. So what I have here is I have this strip. Hopefully you can see on one side that it's like a silver color, and on the other side it's a gold color. So on this side, I believe we have brass type of metal. So there's two layers. There's two different types of metal in this bimetallic strip. We have brass on one side, and I believe it's nickel on the other side, different type of metal. Definitely different types of metal because they're different colors, so we can tell that just by looking at it. We've got a silver color metal on one side and a gold color metal on one side. So I want you to predict, what do you think is going to happen? I know that this is a little bent up here, but it's from years of use here at Sonawa Middle School. I'll try to straighten it out a little bit on my table. Okay, try to get it nice and straight for you, but it's going to have a little bit of a bend to it. But more or less, it's straight, right? With some bends. I don't know how to show that really well on the camera. There we go. All right. So what do you think is going to happen when I put it under the flame? So I've got a flame going here, Bunsen burner. What do you think is going to happen when I heat this up? Make a prediction. Think about it, and we'll pause the video here for a second, and then I will show you what happens. Okay. So what do you think is going to happen when I take my bimetallic strip, a strip with two different types of metals, and I heat it on a Bunsen burner? All right, well, let's try it. I'm just going to try to run this through that blue flame towards the top of the blue flame, and run it back and forth. And I don't know how well you can see that, but look at how much that has bent. Just by heating it, right? When I first showed it, sorry, I'm trying to get the whiteboard behind it so you can see it really nice. But see how much curve there is to that? And that's simply just from heating it. Okay, I don't want to give away the answers to why this is happening, but I want you to think about why this is happening, right? There's two separate metals here, one on each side. I've got nickel on one side, brass on the other. And look how, as I heat this, look at how much that bent. Okay, it was more or less straight, right? And then I heated it. Now it's all bent. What's up with that? As Keenan Thompson from SNL would say. Right? Why is that happening? What's going on there? All right, so we know it curved when I heated it. I'm not doing a very good job of showing that, right? What do you think will happen if I cool it off? So I've got some water here. What do you think will happen if I put this back in water and cool it down? Will it return to its original form? Will it stay like this? What do you think? Make a prediction. We'll pause the video, and then we'll look and see what happens. Okay, so I'm continuing to heat this bimetallic strip. You can see that it's curved a lot, which is, I think, really, really cool. Okay, so I've got this nice curve to this strip. We're going to put it in water, see what happens. We're going to cool it back down. Okay, so I'm going to stick it in the water. Now, it'd be best if I could run this underwater, but my sink up front here doesn't work. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a little water with my hands and make sure that I cool the whole strip by just putting water on the strip. Okay, it's nice and cool now. Can touch it with my hand. It's a little warm, put a little more water on it. But look what happened when I cooled it off. Wow. All right, so why did that happen? Let's talk about it.